Hello, teacher friends. Today we're going to be talking all about a newsletter. So we've gotten lots of questions about newsletters, and I am here to answer those questions for you. So the first question is, you might be wondering, okay, what's a newsletter? And it's just like it sounds. It's the news, like in a letter format. So just usually about one page about your class and kind of like what's going on in your class, and you send that home to your families. They can obviously be very simple or more complex. Okay, so you might be wondering, okay, Heather, what should I include in my classroom newsletter? And everybody can tailor, basically, you can tailor this to exactly what fits you, your needs, in your classroom. But some things that you might want to include are announcements, dates, especially if you have upcoming events, reminders of when things are due, homework, maybe if your students have like a certain word list or spelling words or things like that. Any of those things can be included in your classroom newsletter. Now, one of my favorite things to also include is like a little highlight of the week to either talk about, what you're learning in your classroom, or like a little student achievement section. Everybody loves getting to see their student highlighted a sentence or two about something that they achieved during that week. Okay, so you might be wondering, what are the benefits of having a newsletter? Sounds like kind of a lot of extra work. And I would actually say that once you get your layout, it's not a lot of extra work, because you're just switching it out just a little bit each week, but it's mostly kind of consistent and staying the same. But the benefits are definitely that you and the parents or guardians, people at home, have a consistent open line of communication. Something else that you're going to want to include, especially at the beginning of the year, is how to contact you, your contact information, as well as like sometimes I like to have like good times to call or good times to email or like something like that on there, and your email address. Having parents be in the know limits how many emails you get. Instead of constantly being emailed about like when's this due or what are the spelling words this week, they can easily view those on your newsletter. I also love that newsletters can be printed out and sent home, or you can even save them on the computer as like a PDF, and you can email those out. Now, if you're wondering, okay, how do I do that? How do I make a newsletter? There are lots of wonderful newsletter templates out there that you can use. But if you're wanting further instruction, I would love to make a video for you on how to make a newsletter. And I just need you to leave in the comments what program you want me to use to build the newsletter, and I can't wait to make a future video for you. If this video was helpful, I would love if you would take a second and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next Sunday.